IMUX Stock Analysis and IMUX Stock Prediction is the buy right now. Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at Immunic stock, it's 7.6% up, and I'm seeing a pretty decent increase in price here. Now, I have spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've called out thousands of predictions, and all this has been documented on my YouTube channel, specifically looking at IMUX. I don't think that I have videos on this. Yeah, I haven't made before. Almost reached the point and then went up. What I can say is that since we started shifting like crazy, like here, this weekly chart already got broken. So ideally, I would like to see a full candle close above $1.40, and that's why right now this is a no man's land. So it really depends whether we break the top here or the lows. So as long as we're between 142 and 117, that's a no man's land. So all I really care about is a break either above or below. One is going to give. It's not going to be there forever, so I just have to wait and be patient. And if there is a double break, ultimately it's like a short sell for me. But it's only for now, again, not forever. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.